of the man who ran for president in 2016. If we can play that, James.
3 to 6 months sabi ko, I will eradicate corruption, criminality, and drugs. If I become the president, I will order the military and the police to hunt down the drug lords, the big ones, and kill them.
Subukan ninyo ako. That's what I told the Davao criminals before. Pinapatawag ko pa, do you want to go out of the city? Gusto mong pumunta ng Manila, maganda ang buhay doon. Doon ka na lang, gusto mo? Sabi ko sa military pati police, only criminals, drug-related offenses. I will tell the police and the military, go out and kill them, period. Alam naman nila.
Alam mo ito, pag ako ang na-presidente, I would warn you, I do not covet the position. Pag na-presidente ako, magtago na kayo. Yung 1,000 na, it would reach 50,000. I would kill all you making the life of the Filipino miserable. Patay ko talaga kayo.